friends, it's Miss Christina. I'm going to show you today how to make a quick and easy bird feeder. Although I have a feeling it's probably going to attract some squirrels as well. So all you need for this are some scissors, Cheerios, or some other kind of cereal that has a hole in the middle like this, pipe cleaners, and ribbon. If you don't have pipe cleaners, you can use wire, like some kind of wire you would use for a craft project, or from a hanger or something like that, because you want to be able to shape it into something and have it hold its shape. If you don't have any of these things, that's totally fine. You can use ribbon instead. But I'm going to show you with the pipe cleaners. So you want to pick which color you want. I'm going to do this black one here. And I want to give it some kind of a shape. So because I love birds and squirrels, I want to show them how much I love them by making a heart. So I'm going to shape my wire into a heart, but I'm not going to close it off. I want to leave the ends open. So kind of like that. Okay, let's see how the ends are still open. And now you're just going to put the Cheerios or the cereal that you have, and you're going to thread it through the pipe cleaner. So, right through. That's why you want the cereal to have a hole in it, because it'll go right through. Super easy. And it's kind of fun and relaxing. Go ahead. Oh, that one was closed off. So you just keep going until you filled it up. But you don't want to, that's stuck together too. But you don't want to go all the way to the end, because we're going to twist it off to keep it closed. So you want to leave a little bit of space up at the top. So just keep building it up. You could even stack a few at a time. Make it go a little faster. You just want to be careful that you're not breaking the cereal when you're putting it through. So that's probably good for the one side. And then I'll try really quickly to do the other. So if you're just using ribbon, which won't hold its shape the way a pipe cleaner or some wire would, you just want to put the cereal through the ribbon, just like you're threading it through. And then again, leave some space at the end to close it off. Otherwise, all your Cheerios are going to fall to the ground, which the birds will still appreciate, but it's not quite the same. And we're still threading. Let's try 3 at a time. That's a broken one. Fun thing about this craft too is you can eat it. You can snack while you're working. Okay, we'll do just one more here. So each of the ends still has some space on it with no Cheerios. So then you want to get it back into the shape that you want. So ours is a heart. And then you're just going to twist the two ends around a couple times. So pinch and twist. So it's nice and secure and closed off. And then you can move your cereal around a little bit, spread it out. And there. there. We have our little heart full of Cheerios. So then this is something that you can hang up in your backyard. You can hang it from a tree branch, or if you have lawn decorations or something. And the easiest way to do that, of course, you can just stick it through like this. Whoop. Or you can take some ribbon and make it look nice and pretty. So I'm going to cut off a piece of ribbon. Make sure you have an adult help you with the scissors. And then you can just pull the ribbon through like that and tie it off at the top. If you want to make a nice pretty ribbon, you can do that, or a bow. I'm just going to do a simple little knot here. Just want to make sure that it's strong enough that it won't fall, it won't open up. So I'm going to do maybe one more. A little double or triple knot is good. So just like that, and then you can hang that up. And you can watch all of your new feathered friends and squirrels come and have a snack. And then once they eat all of the cereal, you can just undo your twist here at the end and fill it back up and put it back out. So it's a reusable thing. All right, well, have fun making your bird feeders, and I will see you next time. Bye.